so comfortable. Like I can pop lock if I need to in this. Like this is so adorable. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a Boohoo Pretty Little Thing clothing try on haul. I'm so excited. Couple things before we get started. I did like shopping kind of in intervals because I would like buy everything and then see something else that I liked and then go back and buy another thing. So like my pieces are coming in cycles, so not all of my stuff is here. So I don't know, I'm just going to try on what I have because I'm really excited and I've been waiting for weeks anyway and it's still not here. So we're just going to try on what I have. And this wig, I posted a picture on Instagram. A lot of people were asking me where I got this. I will link it in the description below. So far it's really nice. It's Arabella hair and it is water wave. 26 inches because I like my hair long. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm going to try on my Boohoo stuff first. As you can see, this is what I'm wearing. So I got this top on Boohoo, and also I don't remember any of the prices, so I'm just going to put the prices I think here for each thing. So this top was this amount, and it came in a 2-pack, a white and a black. And then I also bought these joggers, very comfortable. Yeah, only thing is they're kind of big right here, and I don't know if that's because I just like don't have a butt and there's nothing to fill it out, or hips. So yeah, and they don't have pockets. When I have sweats on, I personally like to have pockets, and these don't have any, so I don't know, but it's cute. I mean, I don't know, I could go somewhere in this. I took pictures in this. You probably saw this outfit already on my Instagram. I don't know though, like I could lounge around the house in this, maybe pair it with a cute like clear heel and go out. I don't know. Very cute though. I really like it. The material is, it's like t-shirt material, I guess, but kind of like spandexy, like a mixture. And the sweatpants are very thin. Kind of also t-shirt material, oddly enough. But yeah, so this is the first fit. And yeah. So this is the second top. I'm going to keep my hands here because honestly I don't know if you can see through this. But yeah, so same pack as the other Boohoo top. It's a 2-pack. I'll put the price on the original. Same material. And then I got these sweatpants. These fit a little differently. These are the exact same pants as the black ones. They're tighter, and I think that's because I got them in a smaller size. But I wasn't sure how these were going to fit. I didn't know if they would run big or small. I don't really know what sizes these are. I am a 12 through and through. 12 top, 12 pants, 12 dress. Like I'm just a flat out size 12. So I pretty much order everything in that size. But yeah, I think, again, really cute. Might take some more pictures today. I don't know. But yeah, okay. Now I'm done with my Boohoo stuff. I didn't get a lot of stuff from Boohoo. I just wanted basics, cute stuff to like lounge in. So then I'm going to go ahead and go over to my Pretty Little Thing stuff, which I think I ordered like more dresses and stuff from Pretty Little Thing. So it'll be a little bit more exciting. So on to the next. Alright, so this is the next dress, and y'all, I really like this. And I will say it's kind of short. Like if the wind blew like the wrong way, my hoo-ha would be completely out. So I would probably have to wear some shorts with it. I don't even know. Like this is really short for me. I don't know. I know it doesn't look short on camera, but it feels really short. One thing I do want to add, this thing right here is not a part of the dress. I think this is the Pretty Little Thing return thing, so you can't like be flexing in their stuff and like try to return it. I think you have to take this off to wear it, and then once you wear it, I don't think you can return it. At least that's what makes sense to me. Yeah, please do not remove unless you are satisfied with this garment. Returned will not be accepted if this tag has been removed. So yeah, this is not a part of the dress. Just thought I'd clarify. like it though. I just think I would have to figure out how to tie this. This is how it looks on the model. So I'm gonna try to like figure out how to adjust it that way, but I really like it. It is really nice to like accentuate your waist if you don't have like a really tiny waist. It does create like some structure. I definitely could see this. I ordered this because I could see myself wearing this to a brunch or something, with like some really cute heels. The material is, I don't even know how you would describe it, honestly. It makes a weird noise. Can you hear it? Look. ASMR. No, but that's the noise that it makes, so I don't know if that would help you understand what I'm trying to say about the material. It's like thin, kind of. I don't know. But yeah, I like it a lot. This dress was this many dollars. Don't really remember. But yeah, definitely will be wearing this. Definitely will be taking pictures in this summer if Miss COVID-19 gets it together. So yeah. Okay. Y'all. I love this dress. It's like giving me baby doll vibes, but also like if I need to turn up, I will. How cute. I love the pattern. I love the ruching on the side. They have ruching on both the sides, which adds another layer of just curve. There's ruching down the middle. I don't know if you can see, but like it's like a lace up type thing happening right here. And you just tie it up. The shoulders are also ruched. And I love it. I have broader shoulders. I always have. So I usually don't go for dresses that are kind of off the shoulder like this because I feel like it just makes my shoulders look bigger like a freaking linebacker. So the fact that I don't think that this dress does that is just giving me life. This is, y'all, I'm gonna have to step out. I don't know where to, but this is so cute and it's so comfortable. Like I can pop lock if I need to in this. Like this is so adorable. I love this. No, for real though, this is really cute. It is a thinner material, but I feel like that's just commonplace with Pretty Little Thing. You get kind of what you pay for, and not that that's a bad thing. Like fast fashion is fast fashion. I personally prefer stuff like this, especially if I'm going to be shopping often on that website, and I probably won't wear this out a lot just because like I'm weird about patterns. I'll wear the basics out a lot, but like patterns, I'm kind of like a one and done type person. But yes, I think this is so cute. I'm wondering if I could have maybe even gone down to a 10 because this is kind of big here. I would like it, you know, to fit more kind of like this, like tighter, if that makes sense. But I'm still gonna wear it. It is this many dollars. No. Yeah, pretty cheap. Everything I got was really cheap. I don't think I spent more than like $25 on any of my pieces. So, alright, next outfit. Alright, so this top is everything. I love this top. Very comfortable, very stretchy. I will say the sleeves are a little big for me. I would prefer for them to, you know, be something like kind of that, like tighter. But other than that, like really nice. This is actually a bodysuit. So it like clips like a bodysuit. I just did not clip it because I ain't got time for that. I'm sure once I like clip it, it will be tighter because it's kind of loose. But I also love this like neck. I love that it's like up. It gives me like bougie vibes. Like, yes, I'm an adult. I have bills. This skirt, I just put it with it because I couldn't find a bottom to put on with this so you could see it. The skirt was a part of a two-piece. And I didn't read the description properly. And I thought I bought the two-piece, but I only bought the skirt. So that was one of the things that I had to go back and buy. So the top is on its way here. The skirt is not something that I would wear with this. I actually like feel kind of like weird in this skirt because you can see my pudge I just ate. But this is really cute. I really like it. The top was this much and the skirt and the top the correct top was this much. This is how it looked on the models, and this is how it looks on me. Again, size 12 or whatever the sizing is. If I don't get a 12 and it's like a small, medium, large type thing, I typically go for a medium, large, depending on what it is. Alright, we're gonna move on to the next top. Can we talk about this top? I mean, this top is everything. I am obsessed. I love the neckline that it's a square. I think that is so adorable. I love I think baby doll shoulders are in right now. I'm so into that. I love that. It gives you like a very feminine look. I'm so in. I'm so in. This is this many dollars. Have no clue, but this is how much it is. This is how it looks on the model. I'm kind of disappointed. I was disappointed when I first saw it in the back because I was like, that top was not that dark online. I was looking for more of a taupe or nude type of look, but I'm not mad at it. But it's brown. It's definitely like chocolate brown. Also short sleeves. I don't know if it's because I have like big arms or what, but I don't care. This is so cute. Even with this skirt, like I actually like this with this skirt. Also, this is a bodysuit. This is not a top. This is a bodysuit. But child, I don't know if I would be able to clip this because it is short. Like, I don't know if it's one of those high hip ones. That might be what it is. But I think this is like my favorite piece. This is so adorable. I love this so much. So much. Material is itchy on the outside. Very weird. It's very like, again, I don't know how to describe it. It's just rough. Like it's, does this one make a noise? I don't think this one makes a noise. But yeah, this is the top. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Okay, on to the next. This try-on haul just keeps getting better and better. The ruching is everything. So there's ruching on the side, on this side, and on the front in the middle. There's spaghetti straps. But they're kind of weirdly placed. Like I feel like they're like falling off my shoulder. I don't know what that's about, but I would definitely wear this out to like dinner or like out on the night. I think this is very adorable. This is how much it was. This is how it looked like on the model. Yes, I really love it. Pretty Little Things clothing for some reason is just very flattering on me. I just think that their clothing knows how to, they make their clothes in a way that is able to like frame or shape various body types, and I really appreciate that. So the material of this dress is like bandagey and very tight, and I like that because it feels like it's holding me in, which I appreciate. I can't stand when dresses like act like they're gonna hold you in, but they don't. So yeah, really love this dress, and I don't know why it's like asymmetrical. Oh, it's because I tightened the side more than the other, but I kind of dig that. Hold on, I might have did something. So like you can play around with this dress. Love that. Love this dress. So yeah, I also got the dress in black. It's cute. This also kind of gives it more of a grownish vibe. I feel like this one looks more adult. The other one looked more like we're gonna have fun. It's just something cute for the girls. What's that meme of, sweetie? This is just something cute to get the girls for the summer, whatever. That, you know what I'm talking about, whatever. But yeah, I feel like this one is more like, we got places to be, people to see, no time to waste. This is really adorable. I really like this. And it's crazy how colors can change the whole look of a dress. But yeah, it's the exact same setup, exact same pricing. I will put the link in the description below. But yes, loving this. Thank y'all for watching and tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this try on haul. If you like this kind of stuff, I will do it. I really enjoyed filming this. This is probably one of my favorite videos so far. I just had a blast trying on clothes and like assessing them. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share this video. And yeah, I will put, like I said, all of the outfits in the description below. I'll put the links and provide you with all the extra information that you need. Also, I'll provide the information for the wig. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.